Reviewing Progress in Irish, Lesson 5. Some more vocabulary, a few nouns, and now we get our very first, very exciting, prepositional pronoun. What is that? Well, egg is a preposition, at, and you add the pronoun or pronomial ending to that to create a single word. So instead of saying agme, you say agam, and that means at me. And in Irish, idiomatically, that's used for having something. So, tá leabhar agam, there is a book at me, I have a book. Okay? So now the forms to memorize are agam, agat, ege, eke, agin, agiv, aka. And these endings are very similar in all of the prepositional pronoun combinations. There's a bunch of them, but this is the first one to study. So make sure you know that, practice using it, use the different nouns that they give you and all the sentences to practice. And that's pretty much this lesson. Learn that prepositional pronoun, egg plus the pronomial ending.